What's up, YouTube? So today I'm going to talk about a really interesting website maker which is brought to us by Envato. Now, the ones who don't know what is Envato is a marketplace where you can buy and sell things like stock photos, stock videos, WordPress 3 themes, and stuff like that. Well, this particular application has been launched since a while now, but I just came across it recently. So I wanted to share this with you guys. The app name is Milkshake App. Now, what is Milkshake App? It's basically a Instagram website builder. You can say a mobile Instagram website builder. The motto which they follow is say more, share more, sell more. So I don't know if you guys have heard about Linktree, but it's like on Instagram we have only one field where we can actually put up a link in the bio. So with that particular link, there is not much that you can do. Every time you need to change, like whenever you change the creative, especially for the brands or the influencers, especially whenever you guys upload any particular creative, we always need to change that particular link in the bio. But with Milkshake app, there is no need for that anymore, because Milkshake actually provides a micro website wherein you can share the information about your business, about you. You can also link it through your YouTube channel, through your website, through your affiliate links or the affiliate programs, or your own blog, let's say, for that matter of fact. So I am going to show you today how exactly can you build that particular micro website. I've already created one for my one account. I'm going to just quickly run you through, and then I'm going to actually share exactly how can you build that up. Please stay tuned till the end of this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that bell icon besides that, so that I can reach out to you whenever I shoot out any new videos. I keep on making regular videos based on digital marketing, passive incomes, and stuff like that. So you might not want to miss that. So without any further delay, let's get started. Here we are on my mobile screen. Well, you need to download, first of all, you need to download this Milkshake website builder app, which is completely free by Envato. I have already installed the app. As you can see, it has a rating of 4.5 reviews, basically. You, I'm gonna click on open. So this is a demo website which I've created from one of my accounts. I am just going to quickly show you how the website looks. Well, this is the about me section. Now, I have not updated any of the information over here, but this is just a demo which I was just trying, because this app was there in my installed in my phone since a long time, and I just wanted to explore what exactly does it do. So this is basically a link. This is the link which you will be copying and pasting on your Instagram profile. The moment people click on that link, they would be landing on this page. Now, this is your about me page, where you can change this image, you can change this particular text where it says, tell the world what are you made of, write 2 3 short paragraphs, etc. There's an external link. Now, I've not added any particular link, but as I said, this is just a demo video which I'm going to make. Uh, as There's another page which I've created, as I have started my YouTube channel. You can always go ahead and share your latest videos and stuff like that, and people can directly subscribe as well to your channel. Right now, it's going to the Milkshake YouTube channel, but that's not what we want to do. And the last page which we have is Milkshake branding. So you can add a lot of pages like these. I'm going to show you right now how can you build it from scratch. So just stay tuned with me. Again, I'm saying, if you have not subscribed to my channel, might as well consider subscribing to my channel. It would motivate me to make more and more such kind of videos and share the hacks with you. So let's get started with the Scratch website. All right, so I have signed out from my that particular account. We'll just quickly create an account here. Mm, I'm just going to again show you a test mail. test dot bearded at the rate gmail.com, and send me updates and cool stuff about Milkshake. All right, and create an account. Now, the moment you click on create the account, it will actually give you the uh, yeah. So it will actually ask you to log into your Instagram account. So you might want to do that. I'm just gonna do that right away. Go to gmail.com. Um, so I have logged in, as you can see, and yeah. So these are basically cards. Now, what does these cards do is you will have to select the template. Now, this is like the About Me section, About Me page template. There are preset templates which Milkshake has provided, and we need to select one of them. Mm, looking at the theme and the brand colors which I have, I'm again gonna go with the same one which I went earlier with. Uh, so over here, where we can see like this is the About Us section, you can edit this About Me subheading, let's say, mm, keep geeking, or you can add something which is relevant to your particular brand. As this is just a demo, I'm just going to type some XYZ things. You can change this particular image by clicking on that image. Currently, I'm not going to do that right away. It's, as I said, this is just a demo video, so I'm going to show you exactly how do you do that. Now this link text. Now, if you remember, it was showing in the previous version where I showed you the already made account. It was showing external link. You can say whatever you want to, like let's say, learn more, and that will be the text which would be replaced instead of external link. Here you can add the link for your website. I am going to add www.thebeardedgeek.net. That is my website. Let me just preview it. So this says keep geeking, and the moment I would click on learn more, oh, I'm sorry, it is not in published yet. So you need to publish it in order for the links to start working. So this is how it looks. This is a preview, and I'm just gonna change this. Let's say google.com preview and publish. So this is the it's basically has published my website. Now add link to bio. I don't want to do that. Add a new card. Yeah, so this is when when it asks you add a new card, which means it is asking you to add a new page. Now, since I am a YouTuber, I will go ahead and click on this YouTube particular card. Again, there are plenty of options for you to explore in order to like make your page, the design and stuff. You can see these are different templates which are given over here. These are for YouTube channels specifically. In case links are something, let's say, show your followers what to do or where to go with with a snappy list of links. So in case if you do a lot of affiliate marketing, and you have a lot of links where you can like you showcase few products to your visitors, website visitors, or your Instagrammers. So you can go ahead and add those links here, so that the moment they will click, they would directly land up on that page. You can say like over here you can edit that link text. Let's say like you wanna Oppo Reno 10x zoom. Let's say I'm a yeah, I do affiliate marketing for, let's say, Amazon, and I want to say that this is the phone which I use for recording and shooting my mobile images and stuff like that. I can add the link of that Amazon product, and directly the users would be able to. I just need to save this, and the users will directly be landing on that particular page where they can purchase the product. You can again edit this, just the card heading. Basically, you can say my favorite product, or products I use, products I recommend, and there would be a subheading again you can change. Let's again, there's a description which we can put over here. There are again options where you can add new links. So this is like, as I said, this is like a micro website which you're creating for your Instagram followers. It's a best way of promoting your bio or your portfolio, let's say, for the influencers, or for a matter of fact, even if you are a normal, like a normal user of Instagram, that is cool way of showcasing what are your thoughts and what are your favorite products, and stuff like that. I've not added any links, so as you can see, I've not published it as well. So I'm gonna click on publish. Mm, Publishing your site. That is done. Let's say I want to add another card now. That would be the YouTube one, which I was talking about. I'm gonna click on YouTube. There is a variety of cards which I can, like the looks which I can select from. So in this again, I'm gonna go with the black and white one, because that is how my brand look and feel goes. So I'm gonna click on it. Again, my you can say my YouTube channel, or my channel name is The Bearded Geek, so I might as well add the Bearded Geek, and your I would add Keep Geeking. Um, Below that there is a button, like for example, if people click on, like it's saying subscribe, so I might as well want to keep it as subscribe itself, and this particular link I would go and redirect it to my particular channel. So the moment users click on subscribe button, they would go ahead and land upon my channel and they can subscribe it directly. There is a option where you can add the latest videos, and stuff like that, so you can add a title and the link. Again, the users would be redirecting over here there directly. So I'm just gonna again go and preview this, um, and publish it. So this time I'm gonna complete the website. Uh, Add link to it. It asks add link to your bio, so you just need to copy this. Tap to copy, and directly it would be copied. Or you can again open Instagram and you can paste that particular link over there. I'm just gonna say done. Now this is my new website. This is my new micro website for test.bearded.test.beardedgeek as my account. Let's preview this. Mm, Pretty cool. And I'm saying publish again. So that's done. And the moment I click on this particular link, it's gonna take me to this micro site, which is live now. As you see, learn more is going to take me to google.com, because that is the link I added over there. You get a small arrow here so you can move to the next page. This is the affiliate links which was I was talking about over here. You can add the affiliate links or the products which you recommend. There's a next page which is my YouTube channel. There could be latest videos, and there's, as you can see, there's a subscribe button which will right now take you to the Milkshake YouTube channel, but you can add it your link as well. And the last page is Milkshake branding. Definitely this app is free, so they definitely want to like do their branding part of it. Well, this was my video about creating your micro website for your Instagram profile. Well, please do let me know how did you find this particular video in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel till now, please do consider subscribing to my channel. I would be making such videos for you guys, and that would just give me a motivation factor for making more and more videos. So please do subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video. That's all from my end today. Thank you for watching. Keep geeking, guys.